Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our luggage rack day bag for the Can-Am Ryker. If you've already purchased our adjustable SpyderExtras rear luggage rack for your Can-Am Ryker, then you already know that its 16 by 10 inch platform is pretty darn useful if you need a bit more storage space for traveling. Ever since we launched that rear luggage rack, you guys have been asking us to offer a luggage bag that will also work along with it. Well, today we're happy to announce that we partnered up with the team over at Nelson-Rigg to bring you guys a tailor-made luggage bag solution that'll allow you to maximize the storage space on your luggage rack. Our Nelson-Rigg luggage bag easily mounts to the rack with the integrated quick-release buckle system and features two zippered outer pockets to store smaller items, along with a 20-liter main storage compartment for storing larger items like a sweater, hat, or light jacket. You also get a mesh pocket on both sidewalls that's perfect for storing things like sunscreen and chapstick. This bag offers a rigid construction, allowing you to hold its shape even when empty, and is manufactured from an exclusive industry-leading Ultra Max fabric that provides maximum level of UV protection to prevent fading. The exterior of the bag features reflective piping for increased visibility at night, as well as a 100% waterproof rain cover in case you get caught up in some inclement weather. And most importantly, this bag comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, the installation only takes a few seconds, so start by first placing the bag onto the luggage rack. Then insert your buckle straps through this second cutout on the rack for both sides of the bag. And then clip in the buckles, pulling the straps tight so that it's nice and snug and secure to the luggage rack. Making sure to tuck any excess up and out of the way. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you're looking for a rear luggage bag to go along with your luggage rack, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.